time is 3:33. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in the exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all of your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft, and be careful when opening those overhead bins, as things may have moved around during landing. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of any doors to allow the flight attendants to complete their important safety duties. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll hand you off to our airport team, and they'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Checked luggage can be retrieved at baggage carousel number 3 today. Additionally, some of you will receive an email survey asking how we did and asking for your feedback on our flight today. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Since we are arriving into Terminal B today, this is your first stop in the U.S., everyone needs to claim any checked bags and go through customs. If you're connecting to another flight, you'll have to recheck your bags in the recheck area right before the exit, and then go through security again before connecting onto your next flight. On behalf of our entire United team today and our Star Alliance partners, we want to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you enjoyed your flight. We look forward to seeing you again soon on another United flight. We hope you enjoyed the rest of your day here in the New Jersey, New York area, or wherever your travels may take you today. Have a great day.